Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Chugga, 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 chugga. Oh, hello there. Well, Petey and I were just playing with our toy vehicles. Petey, why do you have your suitcase?
I am going on a big trip to visit my cousin in the South Pole. But I have never been on a big trip before. I don't know how to get there, and my tummy feels kind of funny.
Petey, going on a trip means we get to travel. We can use vehicles to go anywhere in the world. And it's completely normal to feel nervous when you do something new. Today, we are going to learn all the different ways that we might travel in a vehicle and all the different feelings we might have along the way. Are you ready? Petey is all packed up with everything he needs in his suitcase. We are ready to start our journey. Let's take a bus to the airport. Do you have your bus ticket? Yes, let's get on the bus. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Now we're gonna get on the airplane. Do you have your boarding pass? Awesome! Let's board the airplane. First, we need to wait our turn in line. Put your wings out. Airplane in the sky goes zoom, 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 zoom. The airplane in the sky goes zoom, 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 high in the clouds.
Wow! We're really on the airplane now.
We sure are. Let's sit in our seats and listen to the flight attendants and the pilot. They help make sure that we arrive safely in our destination.
At this time, I'm going to ask you to fasten your seatbelts.
Did you hear that? It's time to buckle our seatbelts. We use a seatbelt in a car or a plane to keep us safe while the vehicle is moving. It's one of the rules of riding in a vehicle.
I'm all buckled. I know I'm safe in my seat. Hey, Santa, how long are we gonna be on this plane? Are we there yet?
Not yet, Petey. Sometimes when we are traveling for a long time, we might feel bored. Can you show me a bored face? When we feel bored on a trip, what can we do? We can learn something new, play with our toys, sing a song, or read a book. Let's learn something new. Petey, what toys did you pack for travel?
I packed all my favorite vehicles. A car, a bus, an airplane, a fire engine, a helicopter, a train, a garbage truck, and an ambulance.
Wow, Petey, do you know what each of these vehicles can do?
Tell me, Santa.
A car moves people from one place to another. Vroom, vroom. A bus can move a lot of people through your city or town. Or it might bring you to school. Honk, honk. An airplane can fly you to faraway places. Whoosh. A fire engine moves firefighters quickly to help people in need. A helicopter can quickly fly people from one place to another and help people in an emergency. A train moves people and things where they need to go. It chug, chug, chugs down the train tracks. Choo, choo. A garbage truck drives around to collect everyone's trash. Beep, beep. And the ambulance, which brings people quickly to the hospital, to the doctors and nurses that can help them. Wee-oo, wee-oo.
Wow! So many different kinds of vehicles.
Beep, beep, here comes a car, driving near, driving far. Turn the wheel and step on the gas, I'm down the road so fast. Stop at the light, red means stop, green says go, don't you stop. Open the door, hop inside, seatbelt buckle, let's go for a ride. Drive, drive, turn the wheel, honk, honk, beep, beep, beep. Spin your hands like rolling tires, stomp your feet, hear that speed. Fly, fly, arms out wide, chop, chop, side to side. Dig, scoop, lift it high, vehicles go, let's ride, ride, ride. Ooh, ooh, it's a fire truck, big red truck in a hurry up rush. Climb the ladder, spray the hose, water up high where the water goes. Nina, Nina, hear that sound? The ambulance is racing through town, helping people feeling sick. Driving careful, driving quick. Drive, drive, turn the wheel, honk, honk, beep, beep, beep. Spin your hands like rolling tires, stomp your feet, hear that speed. Fly, fly, arms out wide, chop, chop, side to side. Dig, scoop, lift it high, vehicles go, let's ride, ride, ride. Rumble, rumble, garbage truck, lift the can, now tip it up. Crash and bang, dump it in, clean the streets, that's how we win. Yellow school bus, big and bright, pick up friends in morning light. Open the door, climb aboard, wave goodbye, let's roll some more. Up in the sky, hear that sound, an airplane lifting off the ground, zooming high above the clouds, waving to the world so proud. Helicopter in the air, whirly blades everywhere. Hover high, hover low, where will that helicopter go? Drive, drive, turn the wheel, honk, honk, beep, beep, beep. Spin your hands like rolling tires, stomp your feet, hear that speed. Fly, fly, arms out wide, chop, chop, side to side. Dig, scoop, lift it high, vehicles go, let's ride, ride, ride. Beep, beep,
Let's count Petey's vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Petey has 8 vehicles. Great job counting to 8.
Letter of the day, letter of the day. Hip hooray, hip hooray.
It's time for the letter of the day. The letter of the day is V. Can you think of any words that start with the letter V? Vehicles. Vroom. And vacation. Can you think of any other words that start with the letter V? Those are some great words you came up with. Great job. Let's do a pattern. Train, bus, plane. Train, bus, plane. Train, bus. What comes next? That's right. A plane. Great job. Nice work making a pattern.
Bing! Prepare for landing.
Did you hear that, Petey? We need to get ready to land.
I'm excited and nervous.
That's okay to feel that way, Petey. Let's look out the window together and take some nice deep breaths. Smell the cocoa. Blow out the candles. Smell the cocoa. Blow out the candles. I'm right here with you.
Wow, look at the beautiful clouds. This is awesome, Santa.
Traveling is so much fun when we use our imaginations.
Santa, I'm not nervous anymore. I have my suitcase. I took a deep breath. And I know that even if I get bored, I can play some games. It is fun and exciting to travel.
You're going to have a wonderful trip, Petey. It's time for story time with Santa. Today we are reading The Little Blue Car. Once upon a time, there was a little blue car. Beep, beep. The little blue car lived in the city, but he wanted to visit the big, snowy mountains. So he packed his trunk and started his engine. Vroom! He drove past the tall buildings. He drove past the green trees. He was feeling very excited. Can you show me an excited face? But soon the road started to go up, up, up. The mountain was very steep. The little blue car's engine started to huff and puff. chug, chug. Uh-oh. The car stopped. He was stuck. The little blue car looked down at the bottom of the mountain. It was very high. He started to feel nervous. What should he do? Should he cry? Should he give up? No. He remembered what to do when he felt nervous. He took a big, deep breath. Remember, smell the cocoa, blow out the candles. Smell the cocoa, blow out the candles. Good job. He said, I can do it. The little blue car pushed on his gas pedal and vroom, the wheels started to turn. Round and round, slowly he went up, 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 and whoosh, he made it to the very top of the mountain. There was beautiful white snow everywhere. He wasn't nervous anymore. He was so proud of himself. The little blue car beeped his horn, beep, beep, and enjoyed his beautiful trip. The end. And that's the end of Story Time with Santa. We learned so many amazing things today. We learned about all kinds of vehicles and helped Petey with his big feelings about traveling. We learned that it is okay to feel nervous, bored, or excited when we go on a trip.
I had so much fun on my trip, Santa. I can't wait to go somewhere new again.
You can do it, Petey. And you can do it too. We'll see you next time on Santa's Learning Workshop.
We'll see you next time at Santa's Learning Workshop, where learning is magical every day with a ho, 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 ho. We got to go, you'll be back to learn real soon.
If you want to keep learning about your feelings, check out this video next.